Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, Buju is a few weeks away from going back to his homeland in Jamaica. Well, the government said they're not going to be giving him a welcome home party, but knowing Jamaica's government and how greedy and gluttonous they are, you would think they would love to line their pockets, being that Buju have a lot to offer and also a lot of money to offer to them if they actually held a welcome home party in Jamaica. Literally, I've been watching the Prime Minister Andrew Holness Instagram page, and every single picture he posts, he has been talking about how he has signed new policy for Jamaica to get money from some different country. It's been about 5 of them so far this week. You can go look for yourself. But that's not what we're here to talk about. Let's talk about the reggae icon Buju Banton, and they say reggae superstar Buju Banton is expected to return home to Jamaica in December. It will mark the return of one of Jamaica's most favored sons. There will be fanfare, there will be music, there will be dancing, there will be much merriment. However, the government of Jamaica will not facilitate or partake in such matters. The government will not be organizing an event to mark the return of Buju Banton to Jamaica, Minister of Entertainment and Culture Olivia Grange told Loop News reporter Claude Mills. Buju Banton is one of those who we recognize as a young veteran in the world of entertainment. Yes, he had a few problems, but we welcome home all our citizens, whatever the time and circumstances. Buju Banton has been through a lot. Grange did not hesitate to specify why the government will not be organizing an event to mark the legend's return. However, the circumstances behind his homecoming may have been a factor. Buju Banton, living legend or not, will return to Jamaica as that most pejorative of terms, a deportee, someone who has been returned forcibly to the land of their origin through deportation. Buju, whose real name is Mark Myrie, is currently serving a 10-year prison sentence for a drug trafficking. He's expected to be released on December 8th. Aware that Buju Banton and his management team will be having a concert and the Minister of Culture may have a presence, but it's not nothing that the government will be actively organizing. Buju Banton has done his time. It's not the place of any government to believe in incarceration and not rehabilitation. Buju Banton is rehabilitated and he has the right to come home, Grange said. She praised the arc of his development as he's evolved from dancehall artist who gave the world boom bye bye.
It's like boom bye bye in a batty boy head. Who boy now promote no nasty man, them a fit dead. Boom bye bye in a batty boy head. Who boy now promote no nasty man, them a fit dead. 2 man each of
Into the verbal force of nature that delivered the Sentinel Till Shallow album.
Load is on your shoulder. Kill like today, you cannot kill like tomorrow. Murder, your inside must see Allah. How does it feel to take the life of another?
That Orchard move was a brilliant tour de force that has made Buju Banton a living legend in the music business. He showed the world that dancehall music is not about violence and homophobia. He even regretted singing some of the negative songs he sang through his music. He helped to transform thousands of lives. How can you cascade someone like that? Minister Grange said. It has been almost a decade since the Jamaican recording artist was arrested at his home in Florida and eventually convicted on drug charges. However, he remains central in the hearts of reggae faithful. Demand for Buju Banton music remains high despite his prolonged absence from the recording studio. A$AP Rocky recently called him one of my favorite reggae rappers.
So, like, who's your favorite reggae artist?
My favorite reggae rappers, Buju, a boom bye bye, and a body boy Ed. Like, niggas ain't ready for all that kind of shit. Even the soft version of that from Mad Cobra Flex, time really about what he was saying for me, you know. But Buju has blood on your shoulder, murderer. Blood is on your shoulder. Kill him today, you cannot kill him. Back then, hip hop. I'm not about to justify. We know this already. Hip hop was the most homophobic genre of all. So we talking about the core of hip hop, 1993. What the fuck you expect? Buju wasn't playing none of that shit. It's accepted now. I'm open to that. I love that the world is like that. That's fine. He made a song in 1993 when that wasn't okay. And if you ask me if it, sounds ill.
The Long Walk to Freedom tour will be Buju Banton's first major trek after his release from prison. He has a show already booked for Trinidad and Tobago in the spring of next year. There is also a show set for March 30th at Nassau National Stadium in Bahamas. Banton is a major reggae star, winning a Grammy Award in 2010 for his album Before the Dawn. He was previously nominated in the Best Reggae Album category in 2004 and 2010 for his albums Friends for Life and Rasta Got Soul. So, with that being said, I don't think Buju Banton needs Jamaica's government to give him or organize a welcome home party. I'm sure his management team, if he wanted a party or a welcome home party, would have organized that for him. I'm sure he just wants to go home, chill with his family, and eat some good food. Quite honestly, I thought that Jamaica would have already organized him a welcome home party, seeing that they love money so much and Buju have a lot of money to offer. Comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think about this story. Do you think that they should give him a welcome home party, or they're just saving face for the world, and because they have a really good relationship with the US and they don't want to ruin that by supporting him or showing support for him? Do you think that he don't need a welcome home party? He's just a regular deportee, as some may call him. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Deuces.
Beat and teach, so beat and teach.